Sally, come here. Oh yeah, just walk all over my work. Ready? Okay. Okay, bring it here, Sally, come on. You know how it goes. You get home at the end of a long day, you kick off your shoes, you drop your things, and you leave it all at the door. Now combine that with a laundry room and a storage closet, and you get total chaos. For Alma and Darren, this is their life. So I'm gonna help them clean up their laundry room and put a new spin on an old cluttered space, and see if we can get it to weave into the fabric of their lives. And I'm gonna do it in a day.
I think our laundry room has become sort of a dumping ground. It's so cluttered because we decided on open shelves just because it was a temporary fix when we moved in, and it kind of just stayed like that for the last few years.
Yeah. Well, we've tried to do many projects in our home, and we are really great at getting to like 35%. And we heard that Scott's a 100% kind of guy. So when we heard that Scott could come in and help us, it was like, finally we can get an idea of what it's supposed to look like. So this is our multi-functional room.
Multi-functional room. Well, tell me about that.
Well, we have a need to do so many different things that we don't foresee, at least at the time. So everything just sort of ended up here. We tried to switch these amazing doors that don't seem to they're not kosher. I think that's the best way to put it.
Oh no, I can't even look. I can't even look.
Yeah, it hurts us every day.
It's painful. This is one of the biggest regrets when people buy their machines is they don't figure out the doors until they get home. And then you're trying to get around the door, you're cleaning underwears on the dirty floor.
Yes.
What would your goals be with the space?
I think just when we walk into the laundry room, it's really overwhelming seeing everything here. So just some space where we can just close the door and I don't have to worry about it.
It's funny, but this feels like a really important room to you guys.
It is.
Wouldn't it be nice if this whole thing worked a little better for you?
Oh, that'd be amazing.
I think we can do this in a day.
That would be incredible.
You guys ready to get to it?
Let's do it.
Let's get to it, and let's get everything out of here.
All right.
Okay, so this door's a bit rotten. We might as well go all the way brick to brick then with the replacement. We got the laundry machine swapped. Now the dryer opens the wrong way, but the dryer is the one that has the reversible door. So if I switch the door on the dryer, we should have the perfect washing machine combination flow system. The moment of truth! You do the laundry, you move it to the dryer, you don't have to go around the crazy doors, and it's as easy as that. Boy, that's gonna look good, and boy, is it gonna be brighter in there. Love it. All right, I have the perfect project for you two to help out with your laundry room renovation. One of the things I noticed is that when you walk into that space, yes, it's a laundry room, but it's also an entrance from the garage and from the side. You're probably hanging things up. You notice you had that big cabinet on the side wall. You kind of walk in and it's right in your face.
Has happened.
I want something more streamlined, so I've got the pieces cut and we're gonna build a custom-made coat and purse hanger. And it's gonna be really slick along that wall to keep things out of the way when you open the door. It's gonna make it feel bigger in there.
Cool.
Hey, maybe you guys will learn something, because what else are you working on in the house? You're working on a few things, no?
The big one is the kitchen.
Yeah.
The kitchen we started, and we have one half that looks beautiful.
You have a partial kitchen renovation complete?
That's right. We're
And how long has that been going on?
Gosh, 2 years?
2 years?
Been that long?
Listen, you guys, I'm glad to be helping you with the laundry room, but maybe I can give you a little advice for the
Please.
rest of the space, because
Yes.
I know you've been here for a few years. I know your mortgage is up for renewal. Right now, instead of sort of dipping into your savings piece by piece and slowly trying to renovate, what you may want to consider is using some equity or a line of credit in the home itself.
Okay.
It's actually a lower cost of financing than the interest rate you're getting on your savings. So let your savings make you money and use a line of credit or a refinanced mortgage at a lower interest rate to finish the work. Does that make sense?
I never thought about that because I don't understand it. But if
I
you
know.
need-
Well, listen, you can talk to a CIBC mortgage advisor. They will explain it to you because it's worth sitting
Needed,
down,
yeah.
having the conversation. You know, a lot of people, they know how to buy a house, but then they forget about the money part of it, and they spend most of their lives just trying to pay off a mortgage. When realistically, the things that we're doing here are going to improve the value of your home.
Right.
You're getting a good return on investment, and if your kitchen was done, you'd probably have a good return on lifestyle as well.
Oh my gosh, it's a dream.
Yes.
What would be a dream is if you could drill me a few holes
All
here.
right.
Okay, now pull off the tape. Do you see
There
where
we
we're
go.
going?
Now
Yeah.
I do.
You got the hooks on here, you can hang everything up. There's a little bit of room so that things are just hanging off the wall. And bingo, this is gonna hold more stuff and it's more streamlined. Job well done, you guys.
Thanks.
We've got everything painted. All of the walls are painted with 2 coats except for the back wall. Just wanted 1 coat on there as a bit of a primer because I'm gonna put a really cool backsplash on. That's the next project. We swapped around the machines. We had to move some of the plumbing. We had to move some of the venting. But fortunately, everything reaches, everything works. Now that we have everything where we want it to be, we have to finish putting it all back together. I think we'll be finished a laundry room in a day. Brushed brass.
Brush brass,
Say that 3 times.
right?
We have a friend. Ready? I got this. I can dog sit and renovate at the same time. All right, I have a pattern for my tiled backsplash. It'll look like this when it's done. I'm going to put contact cement on the back of each one of these, which is why I'm flipping it over. Figure I can get half of this backsplash done in 15 minutes, so I'll roll half of them, and then I will do the other half afterwards. And if everything goes well, I'll have a backsplash in an hour from now. All right, this countertop's gonna look good. There we go. Scooch the bench over and we're good.
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Well, now I know all your dirty laundry.
Hey.
We're done.
Really?
You ready to see the transformation?
Let's do it.
Follow me. I'll let you guys go first. You're gonna notice a new door for starters.
Amazing.
Oh, look at this door.
So glassy, so bright, so
Yeah.
classy,
Wow.
so right.
That is gorgeous. Wow.
Welcome to your new laundry room.
Oh, amazing.
Oh my, that is beautiful. Incredible. Beautiful.
We got the butcher block top on
So
here.
beautiful.
Maximum depth. You got about 32 inches of working
Wow.
space up here. You can put your sewing machine, you can do your crafts. We painted everything a bit of a blush, a light blush color. Tied it in with the funky backsplash, which is just fun.
I love
Yeah.
that backsplash.
Love
So creative.
New cabinets on top, all closed, so everything's hidden. Matching
Yeah.
hardware to the faucet, to the light fixture.
That light fixture is gorgeous.
And in here, we just wanted to organize things a little bit. So
Either
again, there's so much room in here
Wow.
to organize everything. You can put a
Yes.
ton of stuff in here.
That's amazing.
A little bit of a project that you guys worked on behind you here.
Hey! Those circles are spot on. So well machined.
Honestly, like the handiwork of those circles is out of this world.
Wow.
Now the one thing
Okay.
that you haven't seen yet, that might be a total game changer for you. Just try to switch the laundry from the washer to the dryer.
Oh.
Just give it a try. Let me just see what happens.
Oh, look at this! Cute, glorious music.
You guys are feeling good?
Amazing. This
Amazing.
is incredible, man.
Yes.
To look around and see everything look so finished and the energy is just so much better. I
Yes.
want to come in the room.
Yeah.
Oh,
Now you'll remember every time you walk in, oh yeah, we can complete these things. It's not outside of our wheelhouse, and you know, you've got the equity in the house that you can use, you've got options. So which room is next?
kitchen?
Yeah.
It's gotta be kitchen.
Kitchen.
That will.
Yeah,
that
that's
will
a big one. You know what? I'll leave you guys to that. Good luck with the kitchen.
If you have a second.
I think I gotta just check something outside.
2 days.
Maybe later?
2 days.
Yeah, that's more like a 2-day project. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Scott.
Take care.
Later.